Imagine this. One day you wake up without the hassle of an alarm and there's no rush to go to the office. Money is flowing regularly into your account from a few passive income sources you created with a one-time effort. Once you step onto the path of lifetime earnings, there's no need to look back. Today I'm diving into how to build 5 income sources from one-time work, allowing you to earn for life. And stick around till the end. There's a tip that can multiply this income even further. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's start with affiliate marketing blogs. You create a blog, share reviews, tips or information about specific products, and add affiliate links. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. This approach can bring lifelong income because blog posts, once written, last for years. It takes patience, but once visitors start coming to your blog, the earnings grow. Imagine your blog earning for you while others are working. Doesn't that sound incredible? This is a powerful passive income source. Let's move to the next method, which focuses directly on sharing knowledge. Our second point is creating online courses. If you're skilled in something, you can create a course based on that knowledge. Once it's made, you can sell it repeatedly. Creating an online course takes some effort, but the earnings can be endless. Many people want to learn new skills, and these courses could be an excellent help for them. Imagine earning from every session of your course. Doesn't it feel rewarding? Writing and publishing an ebook is another powerful way to earn for life. Based on your knowledge, experience, or story, write an ebook and publish it on Amazon or other platforms. It may take time to write, but once published, it becomes a source of income. As readership grows, so does the income. Imagine introducing yourself as an author. How would that sound? It's not just about income, it's a matter of pride too. Our fourth way is selling stock photos and videos. Are you good at photography or creating videos? Then upload your work to various stock platforms. Every time someone buys them, you earn. It may seem easy, but maintaining the right style and quality is crucial. Not everyone takes advantage of this opportunity. Imagine earning from a few photos or videos for a lifetime. How does that sound? Lastly, let's talk about software or app development. If you know coding, you can create software or an app that once made can provide lifetime income. A functional app or software can reach millions of users, becoming an invaluable source of income. They say big opportunities require some risk. Isn't it amazing to think that one app could support you for life? So these were the 5 ways to create lifelong income. Affiliate marketing blogs, online courses, ebooks, stock photos and videos, and software or app development. All of these can be lasting income sources with one-time effort. If you succeed with these methods, financial freedom is just around the corner. And to amplify this income, learn the power of compounding. It will strengthen these income sources even more. Watch the next video on the final screen to take another step toward financial freedom.